how to stop sharing reels for Instagram to Facebook. So in order to do that, let's first head over and try to create a reel that we will post to our Instagram. So I have in here this reel. Let's click on this right here, and then you can head over and then edit it according to your liking. Just head over and use this icons that you can see right here. Now from in there, let's click on next. And then in here, you can see these options right here like profile display, tag people, location, and like. So if you want to stop sharing reels from Instagram to Facebook, you can see this option for the share to Facebook. So click on that. And then in here, make sure that this has been turned off or blacked out just like this one. If it's been turned on, you can see that it will actually be blue. So you can head over and then turn this off according to your liking. Once it's been turned off, this reel will only be posted on your actual Instagram and not to your Facebook anymore. So that's how you stop sharing reels from Instagram to Facebook. Hope we helped.